When it comes to camping, having the right cookware can make all the difference between a quick snack and a full, satisfying meal under the stars. That's why today, I'll be sharing my list of the 10 best camping cookware sets that are practical, durable, and designed to make outdoor cooking a whole lot easier. Let's get started. Number 1. Odoland Camping Cookware Set. The Odoland set is a well-rounded option for campers who want a balance of portability and function. It's made from lightweight aluminum and comes with 10 essential pieces. Inside the package, you'll find 2 pots, a mini stove, a stainless steel cup with a protective sleeve, and a set of cutlery. The small pot measures 4.5 inches in diameter, and the large one is just under 5 inches wide, giving you enough versatility for different meals. Plus, with a carry bag included, the whole set is easy to pack and transport. Next up is the THTYBROS Cookware Set, which is designed for 2 people. This 14-piece kit weighs under 3 pounds, making it compact enough for hiking trips. Inside, you'll get a frying pan, pot, kettle, portable camping stove, 2 sets of foldable utensils, and storage bags to keep everything organized. The combination of aluminum and stainless steel ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable. It also comes with a 6-month warranty, which adds some extra peace of mind. Number 3. Alocs Camping Cookware Set. The Alocs cookware set is all about being lightweight and portable, while still giving you what you need for camp cooking. It includes 7 pieces made from durable aluminum, and the set weighs just 2.1 pounds, making it easy to carry on hiking trips. One of its standout features is the non-stick cooking pan, which means you won't have to struggle with food sticking or difficult cleanup. The handles are heat-resistant and foldable, keeping you safe while also saving space in your backpack. Number 4. aiGear Lightweight Camping Cookware Set. The aiGear set focuses on minimalism and performance. With just 3 pieces, it's one of the lightest options, weighing only 1.6 pounds. The cookware is made from food-grade aluminum, ensuring it's non-toxic, wear-resistant, and corrosion-resistant. It also offers fast heat conduction, which means your meals cook quicker and more evenly, perfect when you don't want to spend too much time waiting by the fire. Number 5. Bulin Lightweight Camping Cookware Set. If you're camping with a small group or family, the Bulin set is worth checking out. It includes 13 pieces and is made from food-grade, non-toxic aluminum. The cookware is corrosion-resistant, rust-free, and secure to handle with its anti-scald design. Weighing 3.31 pounds, it's still manageable, and what makes it stand out is the large capacity, designed to serve 3 to 4 people. This makes it ideal for group camping trips where you'll be cooking bigger portions. Number 6. REDCAMP Camping Cookware Set. The REDCAMP set is designed for lightweight, efficient cooking. With 10 pieces and weighing just 15.36 ounces, it's extremely portable, making it a great choice for backpacking or solo trips. Included in the set are 2 pots, 2 plastic bowls, a soup spoon, cutlery, a rice ladle, a sponge, a tool card, and a mesh storage bag. The cookware is made from aluminum with high temperature resistance and corrosion resistance, so you can rely on it for durable and safe cooking. Number 7. MalloMe Camping Cookware Set. The MalloMe set is one of the most comprehensive camping kits available, offering 18 pieces made from highest quality, non-toxic anodized aluminum. The set includes a non-stick pot and pan, pot cover, 2 bowls, folding stainless steel cutlery, soup spoon, wooden spoon spatula, cleaning sponge, nylon travel bag, and even a survival kit with a paracord bracelet with compass and emergency whistle. Weighing 0.79 kilograms, it's lightweight yet versatile, making it perfect for backpacking or multi-day trips. Number 8. Bisgear 16-piece Camping Cookware Set. For campers who want a full-featured set without breaking the bank, the Bisgear set comes with 16 pieces of food-grade aluminum cookware. It's designed to cover all your basic cooking needs while remaining lightweight and durable. This set is ideal for small groups or families, providing enough pots, pans, and utensils to cook a variety of meals outdoors. Its compact design and portable materials make it easy to pack and carry, and the focus on food-grade, safe aluminum ensures every meal is prepared safely. Number 9. MyLifeUNIT Camping Cookware Set. The MyLifeUNIT set is a durable and versatile option for campers who want a non-stick, easy-to-clean set. Made from aluminum with a non-stick finish, it resists rust, scratches, and corrosion, ensuring it stays in great condition even after repeated use. With a capacity of 4.5 quarts and dimensions of 8.5 inches in diameter and 5.7 inches in height, this set is spacious enough for small group meals while remaining lightweight at 1.55 pounds. Its food-grade aluminum construction makes it safe for cooking, and the scratch-resistant coating keeps cleanup simple. For those looking for a reliable, low-maintenance set, the MyLifeUNIT cookware is a strong contender. Last but not least, the Fitense set is a complete 1- to 2-person kit that balances durability and versatility. Made from a combination of aluminum, iron, stainless steel, and wood, this 1.32 kilogram set comes with everything from a pot, frying pan, kettle, cups, foldable utensils, plates, bowls, a cleaning towel, and a mesh bag, to even a wooden spoon. It also includes cutlery storage and cup sleeves, making it a well-organized solution for campers who want all their essentials in one kit. That is my list of the 10 best camping cookware sets. Each of these sets has something unique to offer, whether you're looking for lightweight portability, full-featured versatility, or durable non-stick surfaces. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future camping gear reviews.